but just got yanked by CHP. Flew up next to me.
What's going on, you guys? jacobrdoty here, back from another vlog, and we're on our way to Cars and Coffee right now. It's all foggy out here. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's still dark out, and I'm actually going to be meeting up with one of you guys that's coming in from like Fresno. So he's 4 hours away from this Cars and Coffee, and he's pretty much already there. He's beat me, but he's coming all the way from Fresno. It'll be cool to finally meet you, and also there's a couple other people that have messaged me. We got to pass this slowpoke. So as I was saying, it'll be cool to also meet a couple of you guys that are messaging me on Instagram and asking for the address and stuff like that. Some of you guys said I'll be out there and all that. So maybe we'll have like a little Mustang squad. I don't really know. This is like my first time ever, like, I guess having a meetup. And I think I'm way too small of a channel to even have a meetup and have a good turnout, but we'll see how it goes. The big thing is that there's gonna be tons of supercars and all that out there, which will really be sweet. So I'm just gonna continue on the drive, and I'll catch up with you guys once we get there. All right, so we're rolling into the Cars and Coffee now. Good little drive. We had a 13 V6 roll with us for a little bit, and then at the end there was a Ferrari, but I don't know where he went. I think he just lives in the area and he's just out for his morning coffee or something, which is hilarious, because that is the type of area that we're in where people just have supercars every day. So hopefully there's a lot of cars out there. As you can see, the fog cleared up, which is really good because I was kind of worried about that. And we're gonna just see how many people are here, because it's a clear day, there shouldn't be any rain, and there should be a really good turnout. So I gotta be kind of quiet, like rolling in, because they're that type of crowd where they don't want revving and all that, which is fine. I mean, they don't want to get kicked out of the area, but let's see. It's a pretty decent turnout. It's kind of early still. These lines are making so much noise. GT 500, dude. Got another GT 350. My lines are so noisy. So we made it out here to the Cars and Coffee, and we have a slight Mustang squad going right here. As you can see, we also have another 13. We have my car, another bagged one. Punisher, you guys may have recognized, and then also the guy from Fresno. You're good, dude, you're good. So this is actually a pretty nice lineup, but we also have a super snake. Super sick, super snake. Of course, on the 17 weld. Shelby's can pull off the 17, but I need a 15 if I don't want to explode my transmission. And then of course, the nice Brimbos and everything like that. Carbon 1314 front lip. This is what Oscar has sitting, but he just won't do it because he doesn't want to take off his bumper. Bamboozled, it's not a super snake, it's just a GT 500, but he added the little side badge. But still looks really clean, has the carbon mirror caps, which I think I need to add to my car. I just need to do that part. But I think if he had the carbon side skirts, carbon rear, it's gonna be looking real nice. But I mean, how can you hate on it when it's on a weld? Not a Camaro guy, but when you have to see a nice clean resto mod with a clean interior, you have to respect it. So black and red, got the TMI. Those are pretty common on the Mustangs as well. But look at the interior, fully resto modded, black paint. I'd love to do one like a 1970s Mustang like this. And of course it's got the Whipple on it. Whew. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to add a Whipple to my car as well. But black with the chrome, also has the red interior. Probably exactly how I would do a resto mod 70s fastback with a 5.0 swap. I think that'd be really sick. Keep it nice and reliable, fuel injected. Definitely want to do that eventually in my life, but I think a truck is probably the next build. I'm here with my new buddy Amr, and he has a 2019 10-speed, and it's very clean. He actually bought it as a base, but the interior he swapped, which is something you guys have been telling me to do, but I'm really stuck on Recaro. I really want to get some nice Recaros, but his car is very clean. As you can see right here, he's got the carbon wing. He said he wants to redo this deck lid, which is easy to do. You can pop that off and paint it, but it's got the carbon wing, and these are actually the stock wheels just with spacers. And to be honest, that fitment is pretty dialed in for a stock car. And can I pop it open?
Yeah, go for it.
Sweet. So let me show you guys his interior, because this is really what's crazy. So apparently he had the dealership already do this, and these are by CAT scan, and it actually looks really sick. I've looked into this, but he had it done by the dealer. I think he got it included with the car because he did not want to buy a car with cloth interior. but 10 speed of course. And I test drove one, they drive really well. These 2019s are definitely growing on me, especially because I've been seeing a lot of them bagged on Instagram, which is what happens now is you see a car on Instagram and it's done really well, and now you actually want it, because I've always said this, stock Mustangs do not look the best, but when you do a couple little features to them or little changes, they really come out. So 2019s are growing a little soft spot in my heart now. Oh, the drag pack. I need to get the drag pack.
Yes, sir.
Imagine it bagged though.
That'd be nice.
That would be nice. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, dang, we got a squad leaving out at the same time. Oh, that was an EcoBoost?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Cobb too. Yeah. Dang.
Yeah, that's
another S550 over there, and another one coming in. He's got the yellow. Right there. Oh, I missed it, but that Camaro resto mod had to get push started. Classic. Hey, but it's super clean. It works. That's why you have a couple buddies come with you. Oh man, that car's really clean.
There's a kid somewhere in the hospital that wants to get a burnout done.
Today's vlog is super bad, and I'm probably gonna have to record some more stuff because everyone is gone. It's empty now, and I was basically standing by my car talking to you guys for a long time. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna go grab some lunch, or actually brunch, and catch up with you guys here in a little bit.
It's been a couple of days since that last clip, and I just want to apologize because we didn't really record too much. We went to a sportsman show, which had like outdoor hunting and like camping gear, which is actually really cool. I just don't think you guys would have really cared too much to see that. And I also didn't really show off Jake's Shelby, but I may have had it in a clip before. I didn't really check the footage yet, but it was really awesome to hang out with him and his girlfriend. We went and grabbed lunch, I guess brunch, and yeah, we kind of cruised up. So I'll throw a couple clips right here that he caught on our cruise up. We had a little bit of fun kind of heading up the hill a little bit.
Sounds like he's gonna do a pool.
There, geez. Oh, if you guys follow me on Instagram, literally I saw a guy that like wrecked right here. So if you see the fences down, like right there, a guy that had a Honda Civic, and it was like an older Honda Civic. I'll probably throw up the clip right here, but holy dude, this dude just started changing lanes hella fast and then lost control. Yo, good, bro? Good? Holy. All right. It literally happened right in front of me. His tire blew out and he just started like mangying back and forth. Definitely check your guys' tires because that could cause a blowout and you could definitely cause an accident. Like that totaled his Honda. It totaled that car. Definitely check your tires. It is nothing to play about. Having safe tires is a huge priority. So I was gonna end the video, but just got yanked by CHP. Flew up next to me. I was cruising with the windows up and he got up next to me, immediately hit the brakes, got back over, and well, we're gonna be getting a window tint ticket. So we gotta get that all taken care of. Here we are. You guys have been asking, how is the window tint whenever you're in California? Well, we got it, but he said it was a nice car. I wasn't speeding, like there was plenty of traffic. As you guys could tell, there's a good amount of traffic here. So literally just cruising with the windows up with radio on. So
all good. Didn't get in trouble for anything else, just window tint, just a correctable. So yeah, shoot, I finally got caught. That was 100% the coolest cop ever because he let me get out and take a photo, which is the thumbnail of this video. Holy crap, he was actually really cool. He was talking about me, like he was actually trying to recruit me for CHP because it's like, if you want to have a job where you get to drive fast, which is funny because I wasn't speeding at the time. But yeah, he actually, he was really cool. So I got my ticket. It's just a part of it, you know, at least I wasn't doing anything bad or anything really dangerous, which is really good. But it finally caught up to me with the tint, so it took a little while. It took them about 6 months for them to get me with tint, which I try to be pretty cautious. If I see one, I drop the windows. But right now I was just cruising and he popped up from behind another car and totally got me. And then when I was taking the photo, he was like, oh, I could have gotten you for front plate. And he's like, nah, I don't really care. He's like, it's all good. I'm not gonna write you another one or anything. So that was actually really cool. So thank you, officer. Be safe out there. This is not to poop on officers or to, you know, do all that, because they have a dangerous job too. They're just trying to do their jobs. And yeah, they have a family to go home to, just like we all do. So yep, that's the part of this video. I thought I was gonna wrap it up, and now I'm really gonna wrap it up. So as always, hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, then please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.